Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. YITUOOW Soil Moisture Meter 3-in-1 Soil Test Kits with Soil Moisture, Light, pH Tester, Gardening Tool Set. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 3-in-1 Moisture Meter, how to know the pH of the soil. How do I know the humidity of the soil? How much light is suitable? This soil moisture meter is a must for you. The 3-in-1 function of the moisture meter can help you understand the soil condition in real time. Just insert the sensor probe into the soil about 2 to 4 inches, no need for batteries and extra preparation, and toggle the switch to test moisture, pH, and sunlight. Please wait a few minutes until the pointer stops swinging to obtain a stable reading. If the plant is very dry, the soil pointer will not display data, which means that the plant needs water. Accurate and sensitive sensor, application with double needle detection technology strongly enhances the speed and accuracy of detecting and analyzing soil moisture and pH acidity, and ensure the soil's demand for moisture and light is properly past scientific method of planting. Suitable for home garden breeding, rice planting, vegetable planting, forest planting, succulent soil, potted plants, flower planting, greenhouse planting, garden planting, soil testing and more. To meet all your needs for soil testing. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.